Welcome everyone to Paul Sherry RVs in Piqua, Ohio. Thank you for tuning in. We've been here since the 1960s. Family owned and operated. So, we've got quite a line of models. Probably roughly $5 million worth of inventory. And today, we're going to check out the Forest River Wolf Pup 18 RJB toy hauler. This is a single axle toy hauler weighing in at 3,400 pounds. Outside shower, water fill, gas or electric water heater, partial front cap there, partial aluminum front cap, diamond plate below it, crank tongue jack, 120-pound LP tank, and a deep cycle battery that we will install and fill the propane. There's a solar charger prep, so you can buy a solar panel, charge up the battery. Here's your spare tire and storage underneath the bed. So it does have the friction hinge door, so you don't need latches. Has a powered awning and the stairs against the ground. Has this nice big grab handle, gets you inside, outside speakers, tire pressure monitors. Green when they're the proper PSI, they'll turn red or amber when they're low. There's the TV connection. Right there. So you have a leash latch also, you can connect your pets up out here. There's the ramp door, very easy to put up and down, it's spring loaded. And you have this back area to sleep. So of course this will fold up and pin up to the wall. Just move those cushions off to the side. Nice window. So here's the interior. So you got these shades. Very easy and sturdy. TV connection area right there. There's your air conditioner, furnace, fuse box, LP monitor, switchable between gas or electric refrigerator and freezer. Electric when you're plugged in, gas when you're not. 2 burners. So no oven. There's no oven on this one, but 2 burners and microwave. And the outside fire. Of course you can cook out there. There's the stainless steel sink. Radio, inside speakers, little vent to vent the area back here. Here's the bathroom. It's a little tight, but this is a small camper. You know, a lot of your campsites have bathhouses. Definitely usable. Sorry, it's not a completely level right there. So 60 by 74 inch bed. And you got a little overhead bunk here. So this could sleep 4 back there and up front here. So you can lift the bed up for a little more storage. For that pass-through area. That charging port's up there. That's where the headboard for some items. And the ceiling is 6'6". Nice grouted floor. See the D-rings, the tie downs. And then here are your controls. Your gauges are right here for the tanks. And the furnace is there. So there you have it. 18 RJB 2020 Forest River Wolf Pup single axle toy hauler. So we've got this one and the bigger one. So if you want one a little bigger, the smallest one they make single axle, the next ones are double axle. So give us a shout, email, text, call, chat, however you want to do it. We'll communicate with you. Thank you for watching the video. This has been Sean Frost with Paul Sherry RVs.